Want to rebrand or correct a typo on your Facebook business page? This video explains the key requirements for a smooth name change in 2025. First, only page admins or editors can initiate the change. Ensure your page is a business page, not a personal profile or group. Crucially, your new name must be accurate, not misleading, and reflect your business's true identity. Avoid offensive language, impersonating other brands, excessive punctuation like best deals, and irrelevant keywords like adding SEO to a restaurant name. High-reach pages may need to provide documentation, like business licenses or tax IDs. You're limited to one name change per week to prevent spam. Finally, ensure your new name doesn't infringe on any trademarks. Meeting these requirements is the first step to a successful Facebook page name update. Log into Facebook and navigate to your business page. Click on your page from the left sidebar or search for it. Click Meta Business in the left menu or open Meta Business Suite app. Select your page from the Pages section. In Page Settings, go to the General tab. Find the Page Name section and click Edit next to it. Type your new page name, maximum 75 characters. Ensure it follows Meta's naming policies. Enter a reason for the change, e.g., rebranding. High-reach pages may need to upload business documents or legal proof. Click Request Change to submit. Meta will review it, usually within 24 to 48 hours. You'll receive a notification via email or in-app about approval or rejection. If approved, update website integrations, ads, and post to inform followers about the change. If rejected, you can appeal within 30 days by providing additional evidence or clarification.